every night. Millions of people search the same question on Google. Why can't I sleep at night? If you've ever stared at the ceiling at 2 a.m., feeling restless and frustrated, you're not alone. In fact, insomnia affects almost 1 in 3 adults worldwide. But why does this happen? The reasons are surprisingly common. Stress and overthinking keep your brain on high alert. Blue light from your phone tricks your brain into believing it's still daytime. Caffeine and irregular sleep schedules confuse your body clock. And here's the worst part. Worrying about not sleeping actually makes your brain stay awake even longer. Think about it. When you sleep well, your brain becomes sharper. Your mood improves. Your skin glows. And even your risk of heart disease drops. Sleep is like free medicine your body gives you every night. But most people never unlock it because of bad habits. Imagine finally waking up fresh, without hitting snooze 5 times. That's possible if you fix your sleep cycle. So what can you do? Experts recommend put away your phone at least 1 hour before bed. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. And if your thoughts won't stop, write them down before lying down. Don't just keep searching. Why can't I sleep? Take one of these steps tonight, because your tomorrow depends on it.